and speak slowly.
Bibi is on the roof of the neighbor's house.
How on earth did that happen?
It's kind of my fault.
This sounds like a very interesting story to me. Which neighbors are you talking about?
The one across the street.
Yes, that is a big problem. How did the dog get onto the roof?
She kind of flew there. I built a fly pot and she landed safely on the roof. I will show you.
I have to phone Mr. Brown. I hope he's at home and in a good mood and not grouchy.
Please, Mama, hurry. I did not mean to cause any trouble.
We will talk about that problem later. Okay, let me see.
Brown speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning, Mr. Brown. This is Mrs. Ingram speaking from across the road. I have a big problem and I need your help. My dog is on your roof. Can we come and get her off, please?
Oh, sure. Let me phone the police and tell them not to come anymore. There is no burglar on my roof. And please bring a ladder with you. And I will send you a bill if there are any damages to my roof.
We will pay for any of the damages that the dog might have caused. Jake will pick up the rubbish on your roof as soon as the dog is safely off the roof.
Yes. Please come as soon as you can.
We will be on our way as soon as I put the phone down. Goodbye, Mr. Brown.
Goodbye.
Let's go get that dog ASAP.
Hello, Mr. Brown.
Hello. You can put the ladder up right there.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Bibi, Bibi, Bibi. Come on, girl. Come on.
There.
I have to go back onto the roof and get the fly pot.
Pick up all the rubbish too, please.
This I would like to see.
This is the fly pot.
Thank you, Mr. Brown, for all your help. We will be going now. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Brown.
Goodbye.
Can you please explain to me what is on the go here?
I built the fly pot using an old bird cage with a magnet at the bottom to stick to it. I tied it with steel wire to the bottom of the cage and then added 4 springs to cushion the landing. I added lots of my old foam balls. On top of that, I added your round silver serving plate for Bibi to stand on. I then added Dad's packaging materials and foam to protect Bibi in case of a crash landing. Then I just catapulted her with the stray branch off into space, like so.
Whoa, stop! You can't do that again. Please, always ask for help. There will be consequences that you cannot foresee, my darling.
Yes, Mama, I am very sorry. I will ask next time and wait for help.
And I promise if and when you ask for my help, I will try and help you immediately. Do we have a deal?
Yeah, that's a deal. And I guess I am grounded for a month.
Wow, you really are a bright spark. Me and Dad are very proud of you.